Hi, my name is Mike Weatherby, founder of HelmetFit. Thank you for taking this step to ensure a proper fit for your team. The goal of this tutorial is to serve as a visual user manual for you and future users. Before we get started, a couple things to keep in mind. We strongly recommend that you only fit a few players until you get more comfortable using our product. As you get more comfortable, gradually fit more players until you have the confidence to fit your entire team. Don't try and fit your whole team in an hour without ever using our product. It's not a recipe for success. Also, to save you a lot of time, make sure that your helmet liners are aligned with their exterior inflation ports. A misaligned liner will prevent the needle from being properly inserted. This prevents inflation and a proper fit. For more information on how to determine a properly fit helmet, visit usafootball.com/health-safety/equipment-fitting. Now, please take out your football helmet, the HelmetFit pump, and your smartphone. Let's get started. First, search HelmetFit in the iTunes Store and press download. Sign in with your login credentials provided to you. Next, create your team. Type in your team's name, level, and color. Now it's time to enter your players. Tap the plus icon at the top of the screen and enter your player's information. Type in the player's name, number, position, and his grade or age under label. We recommend adding your full roster before fitting any helmets. After you add your players, sort your roster in either numerical or alphabetical order. You can also type in your players' names in the search bar at the top of the page. Turn on the HelmetFit pump by holding down the right arrow. To turn off the pump, simply hold down the left and the down arrow simultaneously. The pump turns off automatically after 1 hour. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and access the dashboard icon located on the top left portion of the HelmetFit app's home screen. You will see the Bluetooth icon where it tells you to pair pump. Once you are connected, the blue blinking light on the pump will turn solid. From now on, when the pump and your phone's Bluetooth are on, your phone will connect automatically. If the pump was last connected to a different phone, it will no longer connect automatically to yours. Simply go to the About tab and press Forget Pump, then Pair Pump on the dashboard. Once you are connected via Bluetooth, you can navigate the app through the pump arrow keys. Let's practice establishing a player's first time fit. First, tap the fit icon or hit the right arrow while over the player's name to begin the fit process. Select the helmet for that specific player. Make sure you select the varsity or youth version of that helmet. Please correctly label the helmet as having inflatable or non-inflatable jaw pads. Finally, you have the option of making this the default helmet model for the whole team. Going forward, you can still assign a non-default helmet for a player. After you have selected a player's helmet, we can now establish their custom fit. Press Next through the right keypad or the screen. Insert the needle into the first inflation port, the crown liner, as directed by the app. To inflate, as shown on the screen, press the top arrow on the pump. To deflate, press the down arrow. There are telltale signs that show you that you are properly inflating the liner. When an airliner is properly receiving air, the air pressure gauge on your screen will methodically rise, as shown here. This is what you are looking for whenever inflating a helmet liner. When you and the player locate a proper fit setting, press Save before removing the needle and inserting it into the next port. Continue this process through each inflation point on the helmet. Once complete, you have successfully established a custom fit for that player. One last point about inflation. When inflating, as previously shown, a steady rise in air pressure tells you that the liner is receiving air. When the liner is not receiving air, you will see the gauge jump sporadically between wide-ranging numbers. This means that the airliners are not receiving air. Why is the liner not receiving air? It is likely that the needle isn't inserted all the way, or the rubber liner valve is simply misaligned with the outer shell port. We recommend you remove and inspect the liner. Now that a custom fit setting has been established, the hard work has been done. You can now refit each player anywhere. Let's practice refitting a player's helmet to their custom fit. Simply tap fit or press the right arrow on the pump and go through the fit process. As previously explained, look for the steady rise in air pressure to ensure that there are no problems with the airliner. As you can see, you can now automatically recapture the custom fit setting for that player. During the season, if a player wants to adjust his fit setting, go through the normal fit process with the player present. After their normal fit setting is reached, press either the top or down arrow depending on whether they want more or less air to adjust his fit setting. The app will then give you the option to either save this new fit setting or revert back to the original fit. You may come across this visual when fitting a player. This means that there is likely a rupture within that specific liner, causing the air to leak. Remove the liner to assess. If you notice a rupture or the liner simply isn't holding air, quickly replace the liner. To fill the glycerin port, simply lift the rubber hatch and add a few drops of glycerin into the sponge. Remember, less is more. This ensures you are using the proper needle lubrication as specified by the helmet manufacturers. To check the battery life of the pump, tap the dashboard icon. To charge the battery, simply insert the charger into the port at the bottom of the pump. Our pump battery should last you a few weeks in between charges. Quick note about Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity. You only need a connection to download the HelmetFit app and log in for the first time. After that, you do not need Wi-Fi or LTE connectivity to use HelmetFit. We will store all your data locally on your phone. However, we recommend that you connect periodically to Wi-Fi or LTE when using HelmetFit, so your team's data will be backed up on our cloud servers. Thank you for taking the time to watch our tutorial video. If you have any questions, please visit our FAQ page on our website. Play it safer and good luck this season.